how to connect Lovable to n8n step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Lovable to n8n. So if you don't know what is Lovable, so basically you can say Lovable is a powerful no-code tool to build apps and form in a faster way. And then n8n is a flexible workflow automation platform where you can connect almost anything without writing a single line of code. When you connect these two websites, you unlock awesome automations like sending form data to Google Sheet, triggering AI agents, or even sending personalized emails, all automatically. By the end of this tutorial, you will learn how to send data from Lovable to n8n using webhooks, build custom workflows, and you can see your first automation live in action. So let's get started. So before we start, make sure you have an account in Lovable. Then you can have access to n8n. It doesn't matter if you have a cloud or self-hosted or it is in Docker. If you're using cloud version, n8n, just log in and head to the workflow editor. I'm using cloud version of n8n, as you can see here. If you don't have account yet, pause this video, sign up for both. It's a super quick and free to start. All right, let's move on. So, he- so first, what we are going to do is first we will use Lovable, then we will use n8n. So it's like Lovable will send data from a form or app to n8n using webhook. This is like a digital doorbell. Every time someone submits the form, it rings n8n, which can then start an automation. This tutorial I will show I had show you. I will show you how to capture form data from Lovable and triggered a workflow in n8n. Process the data and optionally take action like sending an email or updating a spreadsheet. This kind of stuff. Now, first thing what you have to do is set up the n8n workflow. So first, create an account. You have 14 days trial for free of n8n. So what you have to do, just create account in n8n and start free trial, uh, and click on this plus icon, and then click on this workflow and the left side, and then click on this personal. So it will create this canvas where you can create your automation. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the different AI as well. Like I most of the time I use cloud to make a better prompt for uh, to create apps. So what you have to do first, you have to add a new node and select webhook. First, press click on this plus icon in the right tab. Then you can set a trigger manual first, and then input triggered. Click on it, or you can add search for webhook. And as you can see here, this is our triggered delete. So this is a triggered. So if you are a little bit into automation, you will get to know what is the triggered. And this is a webhook node. Just double click on it, and from here you will get to see this type of things. So first change the HTTP method to post, and then set a respond mode to on to receive. So respond is select immediately, and from here you can choose path to webhook. Add whatever name you want, like, or you can give a name. So if you don't know what is path, just simply the path is listened to dynamic values could specified by using EG or by dynamic values. You can give a name as well, app. Now, just click on this listen for testament. We will do later. Now, what you have to do is use a new our what you call this. This is our cloud. First, we will create a prompt. So what I'm going to do is start this event. First, give. I want to create an app using Lovable. It should. So let's say you are creating a form, not the app. Form in Lovable, and then give. It should ask user his name, number, and email address. So it's kind of like a form. And then when user submit the all form, it should send the data to n8n using this web hook. What you have to do is just copy this listening for tests, this copy this URL and paste it over here, and then hit enter. So wait for a few seconds to generate the prompt. So you can see it's drafting. It will give you the, I think it will give you the code for that. So later you can tell Cloud to make this prompt for Lovable so you get the understanding. So I will just pause this video. So as you can see here, Lovable, it's giving us a form. Prompt. So this is our prompt. Just copy this prompt and copy and paste it into our Lovable. So if you haven't created any account in the Lovable, so just follow and select from here, go to open your browser and search for Lovable and click on this first link and create a new account in Lovable. So I have already created an account, as you can see here, and what I'm going to do is just paste the link over here and hit the enter button. So it will create that form for us using the prompt which we have created using Cloud. So wait for a few seconds to just generate the form. So as you can see here, we got the form. So what I'm going to do is just fill out as soon as possible and then hit the enter button. Error while sending the message, please try again. Maybe, okay, we haven't opened this listening option. Let's move back again. Let's see if it is working or not. Message has sent successfully. Go back to your n8n, and as you can see here, our Lovable has been successfully connected with n8n. So you can create lots of great app using this method. So it's great. So if you want more videos in depth, what you can create more using Lovable and n8n, just comment it down. I will try to make on that video. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, just subscribe to the channel and give me us a feedback into comment section. Thanks for watching.